Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you've got a protected view or a view-only PPTX or PowerPoint file you'd like to download from Google Drive, I have a solution for you. So you can go ahead and follow these steps. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right over here we have this presentation 17. We're going to hit the three dots, go to share and say share. Here we are going to just make sure that it either says restricted, okay, or anyone with the link, and then on the right hand side we'll make sure that it says viewer and not commenter or editor. Here we're going to copy the link. Once we've copied the link, we can go and open it up in a different users. Okay, so we are going to dial it in over here, and this will be a view only file. Now with this view only file, there are a few things that you can do with it to download. Up over here in the URL box, you're going to click in over here, and we're going to just hit the right arrow key so that our cursor is just at the end here. And then we're going to hold in shift, and we are going to highlight this section over here. So you're looking for the word edit. Okay, so everything from edit and beyond, that is going to be deleted. What we want to do here is we want to add in there HTML present and hit enter. This will take your presentation, which was a view-only presentation or restricted, and it'll put it into an HTML format. Here we can see our entire presentation. What we want to do now is right-click anywhere, click on Save As. You will see it will be in, it says Save As Type. Make sure that if you do have these options, it says Web Page Complete. And then you can rename this and go ahead and click on save. It will now be saved to your device.